Imagine a castle rising from the mist of the sea, a place where the land and ocean play a game of hide and seek. Welcome to Mont Saint-Michel. Located in Normandy, France, this tidal island is a miracle of architecture. For centuries, pilgrims waited for the tide to go out, walking across the dangerous sands just to reach the sanctuary. The tides here are some of the fastest in the world. They can rise as fast as a person walks. Twice a day, the ocean claims the road, turning this medieval village into an island of solitude. Look at the spire. At the very top, Saint Michael the Archangel stands guard. This place was never conquered, not even during the 100-year war. It is a symbol of resilience, a reminder that you, too, can stand strong against the storms. Let the sound of the wind and the distant bells wash over you. The world moves fast, but here time stands still. Sleep well, or simply find your peace.